had these cakes up at Walmart
Yeah, they're like
already
$4.
made. Yeah, I was like,
Yeah, I've seen them before. My sister.
so I didn't want to tempt the green
Yeah.
on him.
Yeah.
Is that good, buddy?
I think Kayla brought a whole box of wipes. What? That receipt is out in the car, so you can take it back and get whatever. I was in a rush and I was trying to get something. So.
It's okay.
Are you done?
Uh-oh.
She's not seeing right now. Oh, no, that's not a napkin. You want a napkin? Kayla. I saw her spill it. Yeah, should I go help Ryan because he's by himself? With what?
The baby.
Ryan, he's going down the
When he's done, I need to get the juice out of there.
Oh, you can have one.